Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I am basically going out for a nice little day in the GTR to the Collecting Cars event. It's the one at the Triumph factory slash museum, and it's going to be something cool, something different. I haven't actually taken this car out properly in the rain, so it's not something that I've done myself, not really needed to. But you know what the craziest thing is? Last night I was editing my last video with the GTR, and I'm talking about how I want to make more events, more moments with the GTR. I was half tempted not to go today, and the only reason why I did was because I was editing my video last night, and I was said to myself how I want to make more moments, more times with the GTR, going out to events and stuff. And this, I was umming and ahhing, and I was like, you know what? Let's make it happen. This is definitely not as comfortable as his car is at the moment. It is raining a little bit, and this car's not prepared for the rain or anything like that, but it deserves to be driven. It deserves to be enjoyed. En route there, we'll catch up shortly once I'm actually kind of there, I guess. Here we are, everyone. R6 E30. So it's actually a pretty nice event at the moment. Lots of nice people, and the car park is actually huge. They've got another section over there as well, so I'm going to go over there, right next to the Triumph showroom. That's where my brother is at the moment. I think Chris Harris's M5 is there as well.
How do you eat your coffee through here?
Now the UK Civic actually turned up. Yeah, look at that E30 with the child seat in the back. That's the BMW we saw on the motorway. No way did this guy just turn up now in a Mach 1 Mustang. What the hell? Everyone, it's time to actually leave the event, and I'm pretty much the last one here. It's very empty here at the moment. It's been really good. There's a lot of nice people here. A lot of people are interested in the GTR actually, which I was kind of surprised with. And you know, even with it being so ratty looking, people were actually appreciating that and saying it's good to see a GTR that's not just a show queen. It's actually driven and driven around properly. It makes me feel good about the fact that I brought it out. I was really nervous and hesitant about that, but I think now's a good time to head back. I turned the car on like 4 times to get ready to go home, and every time I jumped into the car, someone come up to me and wanted to know more about it and stuff, so that was kind of cool. Really nice event. This is the kind of gatherings that I like to go to, where people just chill and hang out with each other, and you don't have to worry about all the crazy behaviors and stuff. Everyone's just parked up, nice enjoyable environment, and just relax. You get to see some decent cars and stuff and just go from there. So I'm just on the way back from the meet just now, and I have to say this was such a positive experience for me. I was actually a little bit apprehensive thinking of how it's going to feel at the car event. And my brother and my nephew, they left quite early on because they wanted to they're on the way to see Steve right now. I was on my own, and I kind of felt a little bit out of place at the beginning, but I just carried on looking at people's cars, you know, enjoying them. And what's really weird is I went to leave 3 times, okay? And each time I jumped into my car to head back, someone approached me. Someone wanted to speak to me about my car, wanted to get to know more, and it was so cool. It was such a nice feeling because yes, I am blessed to have an R32 GTR. Pretty much everyone wanted to know more about the car, wanted to understand its history, know more about what it's like to actually have a GTR and stuff. A lot of people say that they lust after it, and even with the condition and stuff, they were happy with the fact that they got to see an R32 GTR out on a pretty gloomy day. And you know, it was quite a talked about thing that people with GTRs nowadays don't really drive them. There was that one Skyline R33 GTST, I think it was, that was out. I didn't get a chance to speak to the owner of that car. When they did come back to the car, I was speaking to a couple of other guys, and yeah, just missed the opportunity there. But yeah, really, really nice atmosphere. I love these kind of meets. You just get to enjoy your car and enjoy it with other people and share a nice bond of a hobby with, you know, being into cars. Everyone had a different variety of cars with, but everyone was just happy to be around them. The first guy that came up and spoke to me, he owns quite a few cars, but the car that he came in, it was an M3 CSL. And the fact that he's got an M3 CSL and chatting to me, you know, I felt like the car needed that. We got to talking, really nice guy, and all the other guys that I met today. You know, it's such a cool atmosphere. I just wanted to share that at the moment. You know, how it's important to just go out to these things. I'm quite closed off with how I am with my cars. You know, I don't think I am, but actually I don't really go out with them or do anything like this. And you know, like I said earlier, my most recent video where I was just like, no, I'm going to go out to more things, and I'm glad I did, because you know, people get to not just enjoy your car, you get to enjoy their cars, and you know, you get to build some new friendships, and it's overall just a really positive experience. Cars are something that really do bring people together, because anyone who's into cars, you know, you automatically click, you automatically get along, and you know, it's just a really nice atmosphere today. I got to see Chris Harris. I didn't get to speak to him. He always had loads of people around him and stuff, and he didn't come up to the GTR, sadly. So I guess my takeaway at the moment from this is, guys, go to your local car meets. Stuff like this, standing around, chatting to people, enjoying each other's cars, that's the one. That's the one where it's a really nice atmosphere. People get to speak to you, and especially if you're on your own or you've got a friend with you, I feel like people are extra kind and nice, and you know, it's just a good environment to be. I had a couple of people ask me if I wanted to sell my GTR. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. It's good. I'm glad to have had this experience. I'm glad to be able to bring the GTR out and enjoy it. This is what going to car events should feel like afterwards. And I think that is the perfect moment to end this video. So everyone, thank you all for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. You know the usual. Like, comment, subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Bye.